You fly, and I won't have to ever fly. You did that, Krista.
It's a game. You play frisbee. You play fetch.
There definitely should be a scene from Finding Nemo where like the stupid
Mine.
This is why you shouldn't litter kids.
Is it worse that we're just watching?
I'm gonna be on YouTube. I'm out of here. This guy came back.
He's come back. He's